Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Turning now to lesson 2. In this lesson, we learn the use of dhalika, meaning that, and wa, meaning and. هذا بيت وذلك مسجد. This is a house and that is a masjid. Note, dhalika is pronounced dhalika but is written without the alif. So just like hada, you didn't get the physical alif. Similarly, in dhalika, it's written like this, but it is pronounced like this, dhalika. The word wow is written close to the following word. Okay, so in this case, wa dhalika, it is written close to the following word. Vocabulary in this lesson: imamun, imam; sukkarun, sugar; hajarun, stone; labanun, milk. And labanun is the actual classic word for the word milk. Nowadays, in modern Arabic colloquial, they use the word halib, and laban is actually used for yogurt. So keep that point in mind. The proper word is actually labanun. Going on to the actual lesson, ad-darsu thani, the second lesson, dhalika, that. Ma dhalika, what is that? So this is called in Arabic ismul ishara ba'id, that when you're pointing to something which is not close to you, use the word dhalika for something which is masculine. Dhalika najmun, that is a star. Hadha masjidun wa dhalika baytun, this is a masjid and that is a house. Hadha hisanun wa dhalika himarun, this is a horse and that is a donkey. Adhalika kalbun, is that a dog? La dhalika qittun, no, that is a cat. Ma dhalika, what is that? Dhalika sarirun, that is a bed. Man hadha wa man dhalika, who is this and who is that? Hadha mudarrisun wa dhalika imamun, this is a teacher and that is an imam. Ma dhalika, dhalika hajarun, that is, what is that? That is a stone. And that's why we call the black stone al-hajarul aswad, the black stone. Hadha sukkarun wa dhalika labanun, this is sugar and that is milk. Iqra waktub, hadha sukkarun wa dhalika labanun, this is sugar and that is milk. Man dhalika, who is that? Dhalika imamun, that is an imam. Adhalika qittun, is that a cat? La dhalika kalbun, no, that is a dog. Ma hadha, what is this? Hadha hajarun. And al-kalimatul jadida, new words in this lesson: imamun, hajarun, sukkarun, labanun, the meanings of which we have learned